Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Wife. Today I am going to make fruit sambhar. For that I have taken quarter cup of chopped pineapple, quarter cup of chopped jackfruit, quarter cup of chopped mango, and the seed also I have taken. A small lime size tamarind I have taken. This I will put it in the hot water to extract the pulp out of this. One green chili and a few curry leaves, quarter cup coconut, 1 tablespoon dhania, quarter teaspoon jeera, less than quarter teaspoon methi seeds, and less than quarter teaspoon rye, 2 red chili, 1 teaspoon jaggery, 1 teaspoon black pepper, sorry, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, oil, hing powder, turmeric powder, salt of course, then coriander leaves for garnishing, tur dal quarter cup. I have soaked it after washing. Now with turmeric powder, the water is hot in the pot. I am adding this to the pot. Now we will boil this and remove the froth coming out of this, which helps in reducing the gas. Then afterwards I'll keep it in the cooker for cooking, or directly also you can cook the dal. Now the kadai is hot. A teaspoon of oil, chana dal, urad dal, dhania, roast this, add the cumin seeds, rye and methi seeds, black pepper and the chili. According to your requirement you add the chili. I need less spice. Now add the curry leaves and the green chili in it. Now switch off the gas. Add the coconut also in it, and quarter teaspoon hing powder. Now we will remove this from this kadai because we don't want to burn the masala. I always keep hot water in a flask, which is always handy. So I'm adding the hot water in it. For tempering I have taken a piece of red chili, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and methi seeds little and curry leaves. Since the water is hot, we will add the fruits in it. Now this froth, we have to remove it. After removing the froth, we will put this into the cooker. A teaspoon of oil in this. Close the cooker. Keep it for 6 whistles. Add the turmeric powder, jaggery also, salt for the fruits, few curry leaves, once the seed is cooked, you can remove this and squeeze out the pulp out of this and add to the sambar. And this is cooked, so I am removing this. Now adding tur dal is optional because we are grinding the masala and adding it, so it becomes thick, very thick, so you can avoid adding tur dal. If you are preparing the sambar with sambar powder, then you can definitely add the tur dal. Otherwise, this is optional when you are making the sambar masala and adding to the sambar. The fruits are cooked. I am adding the pulp of that seed, the tamarind pulp, cook this till the tamarind taste of raw taste of tamarind goes off. I have added the ground masala in it, and now I'm going to add the cooked tur dal in it. This has come to a boil after adding the masala. Now the dal is also added. The consistency is perfect now, but after some time it is likely to get thickened. At that time you can add hot water in it and adjust the consistency accordingly. This can be served with along with rice, dosa, idli, as you wish. Now this, after bringing to a boil, this is ready. Now we'll temper with the tempering items. So the fruit sambar is ready here to serve. I'm sure you'll like this recipe. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.